If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Hello everyone, today we are here to discuss on the topic savings. First and foremost, saving money is important as it helps to protect you in the event of a financial emergency. Let us discuss some of the ways in which we can save the money. First, make a note of these four questions. What's your salary? What are the basic expense? How much you are going to save? Where to invest the savings amount? To answer all these questions, keep the track of every single penny spent. Write down the total amount you have and also all possible sources you will get the money. Then have a track of all the basic expenses. Divide the expenses into four major categories. The first one will be the living expenses. This include the amount spent on food, shelter, clothing and basic other necessary amenities. The second one will be the cultural and educational expenses. Amount that is spent on educational or any education related subscription and various other cultural events. Third one is entertainment. This includes dining out, movie time and other fun-filled activities. And the final one will be the unexpected expenses, which include the medical expenses or funds for relatives or friends' marriages. Now, segregate the amount based on the need. Monitor every single amount and try to minimize wherever possible. If any of these two categories expenses go high, try to reduce in other two categories. Some of the ways in which you can avoid this unwanted expenses be like buying the grocery in small stores instead of going to big supermarkets. Can use your vehicles only if it is mandatory. If you love reading, then you can invest in e-books than paper books. If you have any addiction, then it completely eats all your money, which can be reduced to a maximum. If you spend in buying unnecessary things, then you will tend to pay interest than doing the savings. For example, invest in a vehicle only if it is necessary, as these are all depreciating assets. Prioritizing will eat up all your savings. Always keep aside your savings amount, then do your expenses. If you do it vice versa, then you end up in spending more than salary. You can also follow the rule of 50 by 30 by 20. For example, if your salary is 50,000, then spend 25,000 on your living expense, which is a basic need, and 30% of your salary on your want, that is you can satisfy your desire or can spend for any entertainment, and 20% of your salary goes to the savings or paying any of your EMIs. Now here you may have a question. Spending 90% salary on other expenses and 10% of salary alone for savings, will it work out? This is true. It suits only for those who have never started their savings plan. At the beginning, saving a huge amount will be impossible. Saving small amount will motivate to save bigger, and everyone's salary and their expenses would be completely different. Keep this as a guideline and follow according to that. Once you have done with your savings, then try to invest in something that increases your savings. Savings is not more important, investing is more important. Invest where you have knowledge. Don't invest for the sake of your friends or family in something where you don't have any kind of knowledge. Some may be good at investing in land or gold. Some will have knowledge in mutual funds, FD or recurring deposit. It depends upon the amount of savings you have and knowledge over the investment. You may think that savings is not a big deal, but at the end of the day, it involves more of your smart work than your hard work. How much hard work you put to earn your money is no way to how much smart work you put to save it. Saving and investing in something that gets you double of your income is again a big thumbs up rule. Money plays a vital role in everyone's life. If you don't have a proper savings, then you need to run behind money throughout your lifetime. How much we save, our generation and our retirement life would be problem free. Making money is not important. Making your expenses and savings are more important. Plan your lifestyle, enjoy your life. Just running behind money and savings alone does not add meaning to your life. Keep everything balanced and make expenses based on a necessity but not on unnecessary things just for the sake of others. Hope you find the video informational. If yes, please do subscribe. Thank you.